Hey YouTubers, welcome back to the Red One TV's channel. Y'all know what time it is. I have another wig review. This one is new to me, old to you guys. This one is by the Outre. It is the Halo Stitch braided 14-inch, and it is 13x2 lace frontal wig. I have her in the color Dr. Chai Latte, and I am excited to put her on. So before we jump into this review, you guys hit that like and hit that subscribe button for me, please. All right. Okay, so basic cap construction. So this is the 13x2 lace. It does come with the braid here. There's also an additional braid that I got in the bag because it does have like 2 braids to put on this. It does have 2 combs in the front, comb at the bottom, and then there's also adjustable hooks. Now, from all the reviews that I have seen regarding this wig, it does cover the earlobe. So I don't really plan on wearing this with glue. I'm actually planning on wearing this glueless. So what I want to do is just get a grip band, and hopefully that just kind of like makes the fit a bit better for me. So we're gonna kind of test it out.
In someone's orbit, turning upside down. Gravity is spinning me the whole way around. I could use some deeper roots and solid ground. Moving forward, back and forth, just get me out. I am not afraid of what's inside of me, only scared of what is just beyond my reach. And I've got a feeling that that's you, baby. Seasons change and rearrange our chemistry. So far, so close. Take a breath, inhale, exhale, and count to 3. I'm not colorblind to all these falling leaves, but we've gotta choose how this is gonna be. And I'd wanna stay if it was up to me. Sorry if I wasn't your dream come true. You've gotta do whatever you've gotta do, but someone on the other end is hurting too. And maybe this is winter and our spring is coming soon. We can wait it out and weather every storm, but I can tell you're hungry for something more. So you don't have to keep your feet trapped on this floor, but I hope you love me enough that you don't slam the door. I can count the hours that we've both been through, and if you find another one to give that to, no hate on the stable love I thought I knew. Seasons change and rearrange, and so do you. So far, so close. We pull and we push. Don't let me go. If we can be good, don't always know when goodbye's gonna be. The seasons change. Caught in someone's orbit, turning upside down. Gravity is spinning me the whole way around. I could use some deeper roots and solid ground. Moving forward, back and forth, just get me out. I am not afraid of what's inside of me, only scared of what is just beyond my reach. And I've got a feeling that that's you, baby. Seasons change and rearrange our chemistry. So far, so close. We pull and we push. Don't let me go. If we can be good, don't always know when goodbye's gonna be. The seasons change, and so do we. Take a breath, inhale, exhale, and count to 3. I'm
Okay.
not colorblind to all these falling
So-
leaves, but we've gotta choose how this is gonna be.
This is a cute
And
throw on
I'd
to go.
wanna stay if it was up
If
to
anybody got
me.
any idea
Sorry if
on
I
how
wasn't
to
your dream
handle
come
the
true.
ear part,
You've gotta do
because
whatever
I want to
you
cut it, but
gotta
this braid is
do.
in the way and I don't want to
Someone
cut the
on
braid.
other end is
Same on this side
hurting
as well.
too. And maybe this is winter and our spring is
So I've seen a lot of videos where
coming. Wait it out and weather
a lot of ladies had that problem
I can tell
with
you're
it,
hungry
you know,
for something.
with this wig, with the
So
ear
you
part.
don't have to keep your
This
feet
one
up
and the longer version as well. So yeah, but this is a cute throw on and go look. This is one reason. This is exactly the reason why I threw on the wig grip band, because you know you can wear this glueless. You just like throw it on and go, and I didn't really want to like glue it down like at all. So yeah, I mean overall, it's really cute. I like the fit. I think what I'm gonna do is probably like hot comb the top of it down just a little bit and get it look a little bit better. So yeah, like I can, well, really can't, but I don't want to hide that. So yeah, but yeah, that's really it. Like, subscribe, and share. Yeah, let me know what other wigs that you guys want to see. I will be happy to review them for you. Other than that, you guys have a wonderful, blessed day. Bye. My little Yuki wants to say hello. Say hello. Say hello, YouTube. Say hello. Yeah, say hi. All right, you guys, bye.